welcome back to our channel where we talk about locks and keys and everything related to it. And in this video we're going to show you how to replace a battery on your Ford remote. It's very easy and we're just gonna show you how to do it the right way. And if this is your first time in our channel, please consider to subscribe and click that ring bell button so you get notified when we come up with new videos. And for now, let's get started.
Hey, today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on our remote control for Ford. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. You pop the cover to open. Now as you see, soon you open, the battery will fall off because there is no anything here, all the batteries, so when you put it, it's just falling off. But don't worry about it. You take a battery 2032, you just put it here and flip over the other side of the key on the battery, and that will hold it in place. And you just click it back together and everything is working. It's very simple. You can do it yourself, and thank you for watching.